Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram.
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 सियावर रामचंद्र की
जय.
श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की
जय.
ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः. ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः. ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. ओम श्री जानकी वल्लभो विजयते. श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शंकरं लोकशंकरं. समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं. नमः श्री तुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते. पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे. नीलाम्बुजश्यामलकोमलाङ्गं सीतासमारोपितवामभागं. पाणौ महासायकचारुचापं नमामि रामं रघुवंशनाथम्. अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं. सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि. So we saw in the Katha, different reasons are given why Sri Rama Avatara happens or happened. So one reason first was given that Jai Vijaya were cursed to be born as Asuras, Rakshasas. So when they came as Ravana and Kumbhakarna, Bhagavan also came as Sri Rama. That is one. Second reason we saw that Kashyapa Prajapati and Aditi, they prayed to Bhagavan and said that you should come as our son. So when they were reborn as Dasharatha and Kaushalya, Bhagavan came. Third reason we saw Jalandhara Asura was there. His wife cursed Bhagavan that Jalandhara Asura will be reborn as Ravana, but you also have to reborn to give him mukti. Fourth we saw once Naradji cursed Bhagavan, and that Narada Moha Prasanga we saw, and because of which Bhagavan had to take birth as a human being. And in the last session we saw two more reasons. In one Kalpa, Swayambhuva Manu and Shatarupa, they also prayed to Bhagavan and said that you should come as our son. They didn't say I want a son like you. Manu said. Bhagavan said there is nobody like me. So I only have to come. And very interestingly, when he asked Shatarupa, what do you want? So Shatarupa said that when you come as our son, I should remember that you are God. I should not forget. So he said, okay. He looked at Manu. Manu said, I don't want to remember that you are God. I should forget that you are God and I should behave with you as son. So when Swayambhuva Manu and Shatarupa are born as Dasharath Maharaj and Kausalya, Bhagavan came as their son, where we will see Kausalya Mata will know that this is God, but Dasharath Maharaj will not. That is what Bhagavan, because he had promised. That's what their request was. So Bhagavan fulfills. And the last story we saw, which is quite elaborately explained here in Ramacharitamanus, and that is the story of Pratapabhanu, one king, Satyaketu's son, Pratapabhanu. We saw the full story that Pratapabhanu was born as Ravana. His brother Arimardana was born as Kumbhakarna, and his minister Dharmaruchi was born as Vibhishana. And then we saw the story of Ravana, Kumbhakarna, Vibhishana, where three of them, they do lot of tapas and they request Brahmaji for different boons. Ravana asks that he should become invincible by Devatas and Gandharvas and Yakshas and Asuras, Rakshasas, etc. He does not even say Manushas. He thinks that they are too low to be able to kill him. Arrogance. And that's what kills him. Kumbhakarna, because of the power of Saraswati, you say, or because of tamas that he is in, he asks that 6 months he should be able to sleep without any disturbance. And then he will get up, one day he will eat, and again 6 months he should be able to sleep. So Kumbhakarna. And Vibhishana asked for Hari Bhakti. He said, I don't want anything else. I want Bhagavad Bhakti. So we saw how Rajasic, Tamasic and Sattvic gunas, how they are represented by these three brothers. All of them have concentration, but purity is different. Chitta Ekagrata is same. That's why they could do tapas. But Chitta Shuddhi is different. And when Ravana got this boon, Kumbhakarna was sleeping. Vibhishana was busy in his own devotion and his sadhana. But Ravana created so much of havoc. And Devatas also had to vacate Swargaloka. And Dharani Mata also became very stressed. And she went to Brahmaji and said, you know, it's very difficult for me to bear the burden of such bad people. I don't mind bearing the burden of many people. That is not a problem for me. But bad people I cannot. So then they went to Shivji and said that, you know, where to find Bhagavan Vishnu? We should pray to him and find some solution. And Shivji said very beautifully, Hari Vyapaka Sarvatra Samana, Premate Prakata Hohi Mejana. He is everywhere. You call for him with love, he will appear. And now we see that Brahmaji, listening to this, starts to praise Bhagavan. We are at after Doha number 185. Chandas is there. Can you see? Very famous Chandas. Jaya Jaya Suranayaka, Jana Sukhadayaka, Pranatapala Bhagavanta. We'll sing that first, we'll see the meaning. Full line I will chant, okay. जय जय सुरनायक जन सुखदायक प्रणतपाल भगवंता
जय जय सुरनायक जन सुखदायक प्रणतपाल भगवंता
गोद्विजहितकारी जय सुरारी सिंधुसुता प्रियकंता
गोद्विजहितकारी जय सुरारी सिंधुसुता प्रियकंता
पालन सुरधरनी अद्भुत करनी मरमन जानई कोई
पालन सुरधरनी अद्भुत करनी मरमन जानई कोई
जो सहज कृपाला दीन दयाला करऊ अनुग्रह सोई
जो सहज कृपाला दीन दयाला करऊ अनुग्रह सोई
जय जय अविनाशी सब घटवासी व्यापक परमानंदा
जय जय विनाशी सब घटवासी व्यापक परमानंदा
अभिगत गोतीतं चरित पुनीतं मायारहित मुकुंदा
अभिगत गोतीतं चरित पुनीतं मायारहित मुकुन्दा
जेहि लागी बिरागी अति अनुरागी विगत मोह मुनि वृंदा
जेहि लागी बिरागी अति अनुरागी विगत मोह मुनि वृंदा
निसि बासर ध्यावहि गुण गण गावहि जयति सच्चिदानंदा
निसि बासर ध्यावहि गुण गण गावहि जयति सच्चिदानंदा
जेहि सृष्टि उपायी त्रिविध बनाई संग सहाय न दूजा
जेहि सृष्टि उपायी त्रिविध बनाई संग सहाय न दूजा
सो करऊ अघारी चिंत हमारी जानिय भगति न पूजा
सो करऊ अगारी चिंत हमारी जानिय भगति न पूजा
जो भव भय भंजन मुनि मनरंजन गंजन विपति बरूथा
जो भव भय भंजन मुनि मनरंजन गंजन विपति बरूथा
मन बच क्रम बानी छाड़ी सयानी सरन सकल सुर जूथा
मन बच क्रम बानी छाड़ी सयानी सरन सकल सुर जूथा
सारद श्रुति शेषा ऋषय अशेषा जा कहूँ कोई न जाना
शारद श्रुति शेषा ऋषय अशेषा जा कहूँ कोई नहीं जाना
जेहि दीन पियारे वेद पुकारे द्रवौ सो श्री भगवाना
जेहि दीन पियारे वेद पुकारे द्रवौ सो श्री भगवाना
भव बारिधि मंदर सब विधि सुंदर गुण मंदिर सुख पुंजा
भव बारिधि मंदर सब विधि सुंदर गुण मंदिर सुख पुंजा
मुनि सिद्ध सकल सुर परम भयातुर नमत नाथ पद कंजा
मुनि सिद्ध सकल सुर परम भयातुर नमत नाथ पद कंजा
जानी सभय सुर भूमि सुनी बचन समेत स्नेह
जानी सभय सुर भूमि सुनी बचन समेत स्नेह
गगन गिरा गंभीर भई हरनि शोक संदेह
गगन गिरा गंभीर भई हरनि शोक संदेह सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय
श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की
जय
Brahma ji is doing beautiful stuti of Bhagavan Shri Mahavishnu says Jaya Jaya Suranayaka Jana Sukhadayaka Pranatapala Bhagavanta Jaya 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 is may that person be victorious. This is very interesting word in our Indian culture. You always say no Siyavara Ramachandra ki Jai. Now, many people they ask why? What is this? You should say that he is already victorious. How can you say that may he be victorious? Means, does he need your prayers to become victorious? That may, oh God, please, may they be victorious. But you are praying to God and saying that God should be victorious. The logic is, this entire world that we see as stories is happening inside us. Dashrath Maharaj, Kaushalya, Sri Rama, Sita ji, Ravan, all are inside us in the form of different kinds of thoughts. So we pray that when those two kinds of conflicting thoughts arise against each other, may the positive thought win. And therefore we say, Siyavara Ramachandra ki Jai. He is already victorious as Bhagavan, but may he win inside our heart also. So Jaya Jaya Suranayaka. Victory to Suranayaka, the leader of all devatas. Jana Sukhadayaka, one who brings joy to everyone. Pranata Pala Bhagavanta. O Lord, O God, you are Pranata Pala. You take care of those people who have surrendered unto you. Go Dvija Hitakari. You are beneficial to Go and Dvija, to cows and Brahmanas. Go can also mean Vedas. Okay? Earlier also we have seen. So, Go Dvija Hitakari, Jaya Asurari. And you are the Ari, you are the enemy of Asuras. Sindhu Suta Priyakanta. Aha, what a beautiful thing. Priyakanta, dear beloved of Sindhu Suta, of the daughter of ocean. That is Mahalakshmi's dear husband. Palana Sura Dharani, Adbhuta Karani, Maramana Janai Koi. He says, Palana Sura Dharani, you are the one who protects Sura, Devatas, and Dharani, earth. Remember why, the purpose why he is doing this prayer, okay? Because earth is in trouble. So Brahmaji says, you are the one who protect Devatas also. So all of us Devatas and the earth, we are praying. Adbhuta Karani, but your actions are wondrous. Maramana Janai Koi, nobody understands their true essence. Jo Sahaja Kripala, Deena Dayala. And you are Sahaja, naturally you are ocean of compassion. Not that you have to put, lot of efforts to become compassionate. No, you are naturally that. Deena Dayala. You take care of all the Deena people. Karau Anugraha Soi. Please shower your blessings on us. Jaya Jaya Abhinashi. Sabhaghata Basi. Vyapaka Paramananda. Now you will see Brahman. Who is that? Avinashi. One who cannot be destroyed. Sabhaghata Basi, who is present in every single object, all pervasive. Vyapaka Paramananda, that all pervasive Paramananda, supreme bliss you are. Avigata, that which cannot be known. Gotitam, which cannot be known through senses. Charita Punitam, and that, what do you call as, Charita means life. Punitam means absolutely pure. Not just pure, but purifying. It itself is pure, but it also purifies others. That Charita Punitam, Maya Rahita Mukunda, that you are Mukunda, the most brilliant bliss, which is without any trace of Maya. Jehi Lagi Biragi Ati Anuragi Bigata Moha Muni Brinda. He says those munis, those saints, sages, sannyasis, sadhus, they have no interest in the world. Jelagi, Biragi, they have got Vairagya, but Ati Anuragi. But they have so much of love towards you. They are detached from the world, but so much attached to you. Nisi Basara Dhyavahi, they day and night they meditate on you. Gunagana Gavahi, and sing your glories. Jayati Satchidananda, to that Satchidananda Bhagavan, may there be victory. Now, Bhagavan's nature is said, then Brahman's nature. Now Ishvara, third comes. Jehi Srishti Upai, Tribidha Banai, Sangha Sahayana Duja. Who is Ishvara? One who created this entire universe, Tribidha Banai, through the three gunas of Maya. Taking Maya and her three gunas under control, he created the entire universe, and everything has 3. So, Sattva Rajas Tamas, Sattva Rajas Tamas. Triguna Banai, the Trivida Banai, Sangha Sahayana Duja, without assistance of anybody. We say no, Ishvara is that Karana which is Karana of all Karanas without any other Karanas. Isn't it? At once it is Upadana Karana also, Nimitta Karana also, and does not require any Sahakari Karana. That you, Ishvara, you are. So karau aghari, chinta hamari, janiya bhagati na puja. He says, that destroyer of sins, Agha-ari. Agha means sins. Agha-ari means enemy of sins. Chinta hamari. Please think about us. Please take care of us. Why? Janiya bhagati na puja. We don't understand anything. We can't have devotion also. We can't worship you properly. But you please look at us. Jo bhava bhaya bhanjana, muni mana ranjana, ganjana vipati baruta. What a beauty. Says one who is bhava bhaya bhanjana, who destroys the fear of samsara, bhava bhaya bhanjana, muni mana ranjana, and creates joy in the hearts of saints, muni. Ganjana vipati baruta, and removes, destroys vipatti, obstacles and calamities from our life. Mana bachakrama bani, chhadi sayani, sarana sakala surajotha. And all of us, devatas, through our, mana krama bachana, through all our instruments that we have mind, we have actions, body, and we have vani. Through all of them, we surrender, giving up all the cleverness in all these things, saying that I have all these things, we give up all these things and we surrender unto you. Surajutha, the entire group of devatas, now we are surrendering unto you. Sarada Shruti Sesha, Rishaya Sesha, Ja kahu ko nahi jana. He says, all these Saraswati Mata, Vedas and Sheshanaga and Rishis and all the people who try to speak, nobody has completely understood you. You cannot be known by anybody completely. Ko nahi jana. Asesha. Asesha means without leaving anything. Completely nobody has understood. Jehi dina piyare, Veda pukare, Drava uso Shri Bhagavana. But Vedas have told us that you have special love for those who have fallen. So Dravau, oh Bhagavan, see what a prayer. He says, please melt. Dravau literally means please melt. Means please shower your blessings. Please grace us with your, with your presence. That's what he is requesting. Bhava baridhi mandara, sababidhi sundara, guna mandira sukhapunja. He says, you are like that Mandara Parvata, that Mandara mountain for the ocean of samsara. You are the one who are going to save us from that. And Sundara Guna Mandira, you are most beautiful and you are the temple of all virtues. That you, Sukhapunja, and the treasure of all joys. Muni Siddha Sakala Sura Parama Bhayatura Namata Natha Padakanja. And your feet are worshipped, are saluted by all Munis, Siddhas, Sakalasura, all Devatas, Parama Bhayatura. They are extremely afraid right now and we all are saluting unto you, O Bhagavan, please bless us. Okay, so you will see that in these 4 chandas, in the first chanda he worships him as God, Ishwar, Bhagavan, Saguna Bhagavan. In the second one he says Nirguna Rupa of Parabrahma. And he explains that. In the third one, as Ishwar, as the Srishti Karta. And then again in the fourth one, requesting that Bhagavan to please come and bless them. Okay. So this beautiful stuti is there, and when Brahmaji did this stuti, it is said, Jani Sabhaya Sura Bhumi Suni, Bachana Sameta Saneha. Listening to this beautiful, lovely words of all the devatas and understanding that devatas and earth, they both are afraid. Gagana gira gambhir bhai. Gagana gira means Akashavani. Gagana is sky, gira is Vani. So one voice appeared. One voice was heard through the sky. What? Gambhir bhai. Very deep voice came. Harani shoka sandeha, which will remove all the sorrow and all the sandeha, all the doubts. Remember, Shivji had told them, Bhagavan is everywhere. Wherever you will worship, he will appear there. But he never said that he will appear in form. So, here Bhagavan Vishnu, Mahavishnu is appearing as voice. And he tells, pacifies Brahmaji, all the asuras and Dharani Mata and Bhumi Devi also, and says, don't worry. Consoles them. Do not worry, your time of worry is over. I shall come on earth. I will kill Ravana, who is creating so much of problems for you, and I will do as Bhagavan what I am supposed to do. Please do not worry. Soon I will be born on earth as son of Dashratha and Kausalya. Earlier we have seen this Dashrath Maharaj and Kausalya is either Kashyapa Prajapati and Aditi or Swayambhuva Manu and Shatarupa. I will be born there. He said, also remember, not just me, my Shakti, Mahalakshmi will also come. Didn't say where and all. But he said she will also be there. And she will also take incarnation. Please do not worry. So the moment they heard, Devatas became very, relaxed. Said, Bhagavan is coming. And they started to go. Brahmaji called them back. Hey, excuse me. Where? No, job over. We wanted Bhagavan to come. Bhagavan has agreed to come. He said, hey, see, Bhagavan is coming on earth for you. So you should also go there to help him. Not that you have given every work to Bhagavan and then you will sit. No. You ask for Bhagavan's blessing, he is blessing. You do your action. See, Bhagavad Kripa will be there, but we still have to perform our Purushartha. So he said, because Bhagavan is coming as Nara, you become Vanara. You become Vanaras. And he told them, not that you are going to help him because he needs help. No. He does not. Sangha Sahayana Duja. I just now told. To create the entire universe, he did not need anybody's help. So to kill Ravana, you think he will need help? He doesn't need help. But still you should do. Why? Because in doing that, you will get purified. Therefore, when Bhagavan is coming, all of you should go. So it is said that all the Devatas, their Amsha was born in Vanara. So Indra was born as Vali, Surya Bhagavan was born as Sugriva, and then Bhagavan Shivji's Amsha through Vayu was given to Hanumanji. And everybody, Vishwakarma came as Nala, and different, everybody decided that they will come. Angad also. So many Devatas, they all decided to come. Devata said, Brahmaji, you are telling us, don't you think that along with us you also should come? Brahmaji said, I don't talk. I am already born. So Brahmaji has already taken birth as Jambavan. Before only. Vamana avatar time only he has taken. And he said, I am going to be there throughout Rama avatar to help Bhagavan Sri Rama. Okay. So I am telling you after I have done it. So now go and be born there. Wait for Bhagavan to come. And now we come to earth. We come to Ayodhya, the most powerful place for us. Is the capital of Kosala Desha. It is said that capital was established by Manu himself. That was the capital of Manu. And Manu was the first human being, mind you. So first kingdom, first capital is Ayodhya. And Manu gave it to Ikshvaku, his son. And then from Ikshvaku Amsha Prabhavaha. Bhagavan Sri Rama also is born in that Ikshvaku Amsha, isn't it? And so many other great kings have been there. Raghu also. Therefore he is called Raghava. Raghu Amsha we say. So Raghu also. And so many kings are born. And now the king that is ruling is Dasharatha. Dasharath Maharaj is ruling there. He had many wives, but three main wives are there. Kausalya, Sumitra and Kaikeyi. And this Dasharath Maharaj doesn't have a son. Okay, not he doesn't have issue. Okay, he has a daughter, but he doesn't have son. Daughter is grown up and gone married also and everything. Her name is Shanta. It's not mentioned, but it comes in Valmiki Ramayana. And that Shanta is married to Rishyasringa Rishi. So daughter is there, but he doesn't have son. See, earlier also we were seeing, no, that Bhagavan is such that in everyone's life something incomplete will be there. Nobody will have everything full. Dashrath Maharaj has everything, he is worshipped by Devatas. Devatas have called him to help. And everything is there, very beautiful capital, very beautiful kingdom, but son is not there. Some desire, some incompleteness is there. So this Dashrath Maharaj goes to Vasishtha Rishi and says that something should be done. And Vasishtha Rishi, who is the Kulaguru of Surya Vamsha, Ikshvaku Vamsha, he says, you do Putra Kameshti Yajna. And for that specially Rishyasringa Rishi is called, who is his Jamayu also, son-in-law of Dashrath Maharaj. And he says, I can do, Vasishtha Rishi said, I can do, but he should do. It will be good. So Rishyasringa Rishi comes there and Putra Kameshti Yaga is done. And it is said that that time, Treta Yuga, when Yajna Yagas used to be performed, Devatas themselves will appear. That perfection was there in the Yajna Yaga. So here also, right there when the Yaga is about to get over, Agni Devata appears and gives prasada to Dashrath Maharaj, saying that please give this prasada to your wives and they will have children. Vasishtha Rishi has already said that you will have 4 sons. You want one, you will have 4. So now that payasa is received, kheer is received as prasad, and first half of that entire thing he gives to Kaushalya, the eldest wife, okay, Pattarani, Maharani. Then one half is remaining. Half of that he gives to Kaikeyi, the youngest one, okay, and the most dear also to Dashrath Maharaj. So to the eldest one and to the youngest one. So 50% has gone to Kaushalya, 25% has gone to Kaikeyi. Now remaining 25% is there. He divides it into 2. And he gives it in front of Kaushalya and Kaikeyi, saying that you please give this to Sumitra. Sumitra is in between, but she is very lovely. She is dear to everyone in the entire kingdom. That's how she is. And that is how Kaushalya and Kaikeyi, they give that small portion to Sumitra. So Sumitra has 12.5%, 12.5% has come to her. Okay, and by God's grace, they all 3 queens, they are pregnant, and Bhagavan has decided the time and date. Everything he has decided when he is going to come. So let us see here. We'll sing. After 190, Doha number 190 gives the entire background of when Bhagavan is coming, what is happening there, what is the climate like, etc., etc. Let us sing. Naumi tithi madhumasa punita,
Naumi tithi madhumasa punita,
Sukala pacha abhijita hari prita,
Sukala pacha abhijita hari prita,
Madhya divasati sitana ghama,
Madhya divasati sitana ghama,
Pavana kala loka Vishrama,
Pavana kala loka vishrama,
Sitala manda surabhi bahabau,
Sitala manda surabhi bahavau,
Harashita sura santana manachau,
Harashita sura santana manachau,
Bana kusumita giri gana maniyara,
Bana kusumita giri gana maniyara,
Sravahi sakala saritamrita dhara,
Sravahi sakala sarita amrita dhara,
So avasara biranjana बिरंचि जब जाना,
सो अवसर बिरंचि जब जाना,
चले सकल सुर साजी विमाना,
चले सकल सुर साजी विमाना,
गगन बिमल सकुल सुरजूथा,
गगन बिमल संकुल सुरजूता,
गावहि गुण गंधर्व बरूथा,
गावहि गुण गंधर्व बरूथा,
बरषहि सुमन सुअंजलि साजी,
बरषहि सुमन सुअंजलि साजी,
गह गहि गगन दुंदुभि बाजी,
गह गहि गगन दुंदुभि बाजी,
अस्तुति करहि नाग मुनि देवा,
स्तुति करहि नाग मुनि देवा,
बहुविधि लावहि निज निज सेवा,
बहुविधि लावहि निज निज सेवा।
नवमी तिथि मधुमास पुनीता, शुक्ल पक्ष अभिजित हरिप्रीता. Madhumasa, in Chaitra Masa, first month of the year, Shukla Paksha, in the Shukla Paksha, Navami Tithi, on Navami day, Abhijita Hariprita, in the most beautiful nakshatra of Abhijit, Madhya Divasa, middle of the day, Ati Shita na Ghama, neither very cold nor very hot. Bhagavan is like that. Not like Krishna Bhagavan, no? Night, 12 o'clock, when it is raining. Sri Rama, not to trouble anybody. Madhya Divasa. Pavana Kala Loka Vishrama. That's most beautiful time when everybody is taking rest. They are at ease. Morning, no, we have so many things to do. Evening also, afternoon time. Shitala Manda Surabhi Bahu. And very beautiful, soft, cold and fragrant breeze is coming. Harashita Sura Santana Manachau, which is creating so much of joy for devatas and for saints, everybody. Bana Kusumita Giri Gana Maniara, Sravahi Sakala Saritamritadhara, where forests are filled with flowers and mountains are glowing, Girigana Maniara, with gems, money. Sravahi Sakala, and rivers are giving not water, Amritadhara. They are giving nectar. So avasara Biranchi Jabajana. Biranchi, Brahmaji understood that now the time has come. Chale Sakala Sura Saji Vimana, and all the devatas along with their Vimanas all gathered on top of Ayodhya. Gagana Bimala, Sankula Surajutha, and in beautiful, what do you call, clear sky is there where all of them have gathered. Gavahi Guna Gandharva Barutha. And all the celestial singers, Gandharvas, etc., they have started their Mangala Dhwani. Barashahi Sumana Suanjali Saji. And devatas are doing Pushpavrishti. Gahagahi Gagana Dundubhi Baji. And in the sky itself, Dundubhi is blown. Dundubhi is that tutari, no? That also is done. Astuti Karahi Naga Muni Deva. All the Nagas, Munis, Devatas, all of them are doing stuti. Bahubidhi Lavahi Nija Nija Seva. And they are ready to do whatever little they can do. Nija Nija Seva. They are bringing gifts, etc. And the time has come. Okay. So time has come for us also to welcome Bhagavan Sri Rama here. You see, now we will have the Doha which speaks about Bhagavan's birth, and then starts the Chandas, which is of Kausalya Mata doing stuti of Bhagavan. So what we will do is, first we will welcome Bhagavan Sri Rama in the cradle, and we will do his Aarti first, and then we will continue with the Doha. Then we will continue with the Chandas. Sura Samuha Binati Kari पहुँचे निज निज धाम, जग निवास प्रभु प्रकटे, अखिल लोक विश्राम सियावर
रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय।
मंगल आरती सिय रघुवर की, दशरथ नंदन जनक सुता की, भरत लक्ष्मण रिपुसूदन की, रघुवर अति प्रिय पवन तनय की, मंगल आरती। मंगल मातु पिता गुरुजन की, सुंदर अवधपुरी सरजू की, सेवक साधु सखा पुरजन की, जनहित निरत सदा रघुपति की, मंगल आरती। मंगल नित नई राम कथा की, राम नाम जन जीवन धन की, मधुर मनोहर मन भावन की, प्रीति सिय रघुवर चरणन की, मंगल आरती। मंगल आराधन साधन की, समझम नियम ज्ञान निर्मल की, मंगल आरती तुलसीदास की, राम हृदय अति कोमल चित की, मंगल आरती। मंगल आरती। सियावर रामचंद्र की, पवन सुत हनुमान की, उमापति महादेव की, बोलो भाई सब संतन की, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की
जय।
You can show it to everybody. So it says, Sura Samuha Binati Kari Pahuche Nija Nija Dhama. All the devatas, after praising, they have gone back to their Dhama. Jaga Nivasa Prabhu Prakate Akhila Loka Vishrama. And Bhagavan, who is Jagan Nivasa, entire world is his home, he has appeared, right? Who is the Akhila Loka Vishrama. So when Bhagavan is born, small child, okay, so we are going to keep moving the cradle as we gently, as we sing the most beautiful stuti now Kaushalya Mata is doing. So we will sing that. You can take turns, even 2 people can come and you can move the cradle. भय प्रकट कृपाला दीन दयाला कौसल्या हितकारी।
भय प्रकट कृपाला दीन दयाला कौसल्या हितकारी।
हर्षित महतारी मुनि मनहारी अद्भुत रूप विचारी।
हर्षित महतारी मुनि मनहारी अद्भुत रूप विचारी।
लोचन अभिरामा तनु घन श्यामा निज आयुध भुजचारी।
लोचन अभिरामा तनु घन श्यामा निज आयुध भुजचारी।
भूषण बनमाला नयन विशाला शोभा सिंधु खरारी।
भूषण बनमाला नयन विशाला शोभा सिंधु करारी
कई दुई कर जोरी स्तुति तोरी केहि विधि करौ अनंता
कह दुई कर जोरी स्तुति तोरी के विधि करो अनंता
माया गुण ज्ञानातीत माना वेद पुराण भनंता
माया गुण ज्ञानातीत माना वेद पुराण भनंता
करुणा सुख सागर सब गुण आगर जेहि गावहि श्रुति संता
करुणा सुख सागर सब गुण आगर जेहि गावहि श्रुति संता
सो मम हित लागी जन अनुरागी भयउ प्रकट श्रीकंता
सो मम हित लागी जन अनुरागी भयउ प्रगट श्रीकंता
ब्रह्मांड निकाया निर्मित माया रोम रोम प्रतिवेद कहै
ब्रह्मांड निकाया निर्मित माया रोम रोम प्रतिवेद कहै
मम उरसो बासी यह उपहासी सुनत धीर पति थिर नर है
मम उरसो बासी यह उपहासी सुनत धीर मति थिर नर है
उपजा जब ज्ञाना प्रभु मुस्काना चरित बहुत विधि कीन्ह चहै
उपजा जब ज्ञान प्रभु मुस्काना चरित बहुत विधि कीन चहै
कही कथा सुहाई मातु बुझाई जेहि प्रकार सुत प्रेम लहै
कही कथा सुहाई मातु बुझाई जेहि प्रकार सुत प्रेम लहै
माता पुनि बोली सोमति डोली तजहु तात यह रूपा
माता पुनि बोली सोमति डोली तजहु तात यह रूपा
की जैसी सुलीला अति प्रियशीला यह सुख परमानूपा
की जैसी सुलीला अति प्रियशीला यह सुख परमानूपा
सुनी बचन सुजाना रोदन ठाना कोई बालक सुर भूपा
सुनी बचन सुजाना रोदन ठाना होई बालक सुर भूपा
यह चरित जे गावहि हरि पद पावहि तेन परहि भवकूपा
यह चरित जे गावहि हरि पद पावहि तेन परहि भवकूपा
विप्रधेनु सुरसंतहित लीन मनुजावतार
विप्रधेनु सुरसंतहित लीन मनुजावतार
निज इच्छा निर्मित तनु माया गुण गोपार
निज इच्छा निर्मित तनु माया गुण गोपार सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय
सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की
जय
We will see the meaning of this stuti tomorrow only. We will allow Kausalya Mata and Sri Rama to be with each other for full day and then only we will do that. We will sing some bhajan. You can continue. Ram राम 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 राम
राम राम राम राम राम
राम राम राम राम राम राम
राम राम राम राम राम
राम नाम राम रूप राम गुणधाम
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 श्रवण राम मनन राम नमन राम राम
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 राम राम राम राम राम
राम राम राम राम राम राम
राम राम राम राम राम राम
राम राम राम राम राम
राम कथा हरे व्यथा राम सुखधाम
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 भक्त वत्सल भक्त प्राण भक्त घन राम
भक्त वत्सल भक्त प्राण भक्त घन राम
भक्त वत्सल भक्त प्राण भक्त धन राम
भक्त वत्सल भक्त प्राण भक्त धन राम
राम राम राम राम 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 राम
राम राम राम राम
वीर मारुति गंभीर मारुति
वीर मारुति गंभीर मारुति
वीर मारुति अति धीर मारुति
धीर मारुति अति धीर मारुति
गीत मारुति संगीत मारुति
गीत मारुति संगीत मारुति
दूत मारुति राम दूत मारुति
दूत मारुति राम दूत मारुति
भक्त मारुति परम भक्त मारुति
भक्त मारुति परम भक्त मारुति
वीर मारुति गंभीर मारुति
वीर मारुति गंभीर मारुति
गंभीर मारुति
गंभीर मारुति
गंभीर मारुति
गंभीर मारुति
सियावर रामचंद्र की
जय
पवन सुत हनुमान की
जय
उमापति महादेव की
जय
बोलो भाई सब संतन की
जय
सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की
जय
ओम पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम।